Parents are still outraged tonight about a Valley Elementary School principal who was just arrested, accused of trying to lure underage girls to go skinny dipping.
And as Team 12's Matt Morrow shows us, many are now wondering if he passed a background check, and if so, what did it entail?
An elementary school principal now under arrest, caught in an internet sting and accused of trying to lure underage girls to skinny dip at a pool in Scottsdale. The principal is this man, Karl Waggoner, from Four Peaks Elementary School in Apache Junction.
I'm shocked that this has happened. Maybe they should look at things a little bit more deeply.
Toby Reynolds isn't the only parent who thinks that, but it turns out the Apache Junction Unified School District did take a close look at Waggoner's history when he was hired recently. This letter to parents explains the district conducted all background checks required by law and found no prior arrest or criminal history. The Department of Education confirms to 12 News that Waggoner had what's called a fingerprint clearance card. It's what all certified school employees must have before they can be hired. To receive one, applicants must go through a national criminal history check from the Arizona Department of Public Safety. DPS even periodically updates the cards with additional checks. The Department of Education tells 12 News if there was anything suspicious in Waggoner's background, they and DPS would have caught it, but there wasn't. School districts, like other employers, can also search applicants' social media profiles, but cannot search applicants' personal computers or accounts they may have under aliases. But for some parents, it's simply not enough.
My grandson, your child, all these other parents here, it's not good enough.
Matt Morrow, 12 News.